Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what the Fazaa card is and how you can apply for a Fazaa card in 2026. Now, if you live in the UAE and you want access to the special discounts and benefits, this guide will help you understand how the program actually works. So first of all, let's understand what the Fazaa card is. So Fazaa is a benefits program in the United Arab Emirates that provides members with special discounts and exclusive offers. Now these offers can include a reduced price on the shopping, travel bookings, hotels, restaurants, healthcare services, entertainments, and many everyday services. The program was officially created to support government employees and certain partner organizations in the UAE. However, over time, some initiatives have allowed more residents and families to access the program depending on the eligibility. So, if we talk about how you can get access to the Fazaa card, the first step is to be eligible for it. So many Fazaa memberships are provided through the employers such as government departments, semi-government organizations, or the companies partner with the program. So if your organization participants in the program, you can apply through the official Fazaa platform. For that, you need to come here on fazaa.ae. When you are here, click on the option of become a partner on the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will be landed here on this particular page where you need to basically fill out this form. It has three simple steps available. So first of all, you need to provide the company code. Afterwards, on the next step, you will need to enter your personal information such as your name, your email address, phone number, and your Emirates ID. After that, you may need to verify your employment or eligibility. This step is going to confirm that you qualify for the Fazaa membership through your organization or the program. So once your application is approved, you can easily activate your membership via Fazaa application, or you can also basically get access to it by signing in into your account after providing these credentials. So in some cases, members may also receive a physical card, but most of the users simply use the digital version from the mobile application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.